Tōfā lover, talofa lover. Let's learn some Samoan. Talofa lover, with a friend Fasi today. Yay! Alright, talofa. I'm Seal from Loopy Tunes, and this is my husband.
Fasi.
Remember
Talofa.
the vowels. Fasi.
Oh, Fasi.
Fasi. Alright.
Fasi oi.
We're on day 5. Yay!
You made it.
You made it to the end. And this is gonna be our last one. So if you haven't already, check out parts 1 to 4 before this one. And Fasi has been teaching us some Samoan phrases we can use every day. And what are we going to learn for the last day, Fasi?
Tonight or today we're going to learn how to say goodbye and have a good day or good night.
Have a good night.
Yeah. So we're going to learn those two.
Awesome.
Sweet.
Go through our alphabet again?
Alphabet. The whole alphabet. Okay. Let's do the alphabet.
Because we've already done it.
Yeah, sweet.
2
Okay.
days, the last 2 days.
Here we go.
Okay.
The alphabet.
Is
A, E, I, O, U, Fa, Nga, La, Mo, Nu, Pi, Sa, Ti, Vi, He, Ka, Ro.
Well done.
Nice. So, how to say goodbye? You have 2 ways you can say goodbye. You could either say just bye, which is just fa, which is fa, yeah, fa. Or if you wanted to use a more formal way of saying goodbye, you'd say Tōfā soifua. Tōfā soifua. Using the vowels. Tōfā soifua. Tōfā soifua. That's how you say goodbye. And what was the other one? And have a good day. So you could say, have a good day, goodbye. So to say have a good day, you'd be like Manuia leaso. Manuia leaso. Tōfā soifua. So have a good day. So long. Farewell. Manuia leaso. Tōfā soifua. So like Manuia leaso Seal. Tōfā soifua.
Manuia loaso Fasi. Tōfā soifua.
Yep. So if you listen carefully to what Seal just said, she said Manuia loaso Fasi. I said Manuia leaso.
Oh, whoops.
But Seal's still right. Seal is still right. I said have a good day. Seal said you have a good day.
Yeah, I meant to say that.
Manuia loaso is you have a good day. Manuia leaso, le, is have a good day.
Alright. Should we try it all together one last time? Ready?
Manuia leaso.
Manuia leaso.
Oh. Tōfā soifua.
Alright, we hope you've enjoyed learning some Samoan this week for Samoan Language Week. Actually, you can learn this anytime. It doesn't have to be just this week. Yeah, hanga Samoan today.
You can speak Samoan now.
Alright, have an awesome time. Learn some Samoan. Use your Samoan. And remember those vowels in your alphabet. And you've got it. Perfect.
Comb your beard.
Children, comb your beard. Have you got a beard?
I had a beard when I was 11.
He actually, he did have a beard when he was 11. It's very irrelevant. Alright. Tōfā soifua.
Manuia loaso.
Manuia loaso. Tōfā
Tōfā soifua.